Hello, it's been a while. Today, we are on a mission. We're early in the morning. You can see my voice is still trying to activate. I look like a ghost here. The light's too bright. Dude, I regret doing this as soon as I step out.
It's always the lovely sunrise.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So I was like, let's just come down and enjoy it rather than rushing through. How cold are you feeling, mate?
Out of 10, I guess
Out of 10.
I'll be like 7.
Seven?
But lucky I
Oh,
got
that's
my
good.
puffer.
Yeah, you look
So,
nice and
yeah.
warm.
It was good, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the wind that
It
hits
is.
me, yeah.
The
That is
icy
like
cold
freezing
wind.
my bones. Yeah.
You're not used to this in Sydney, hey?
No.
This is like a cold morning for you.
Yeah.
This is like summer's day for us.
Oh,
This is-
no.
Yeah, this is summer. A beautiful sunrise.
Yeah.
Lovely. Doesn't get better than this.
Okay, I can confirm it's worth it.
Yeah, let's go. Sydney sunrise, baby.
I think especially we're not by the water anymore, so you don't feel the
It's chill.
yeah. Look
Hey,
around.
stand around.
Just look at the
You know, one of my favourite shots that I've done since being in Sydney
yeah.
by Kirribilli, and we were looking out, and we both
Oh,
turned
the
at the
wharf.
same time.
Is
Yeah,
it the wolf?
fits perfectly with the music. Absolutely unreal. That is so lucky. It's got some kind of like mandarin, fruity taste to it.
Yeah.
Are you biting it? Are you smelling it? He's had his whole face in the thing. What is that flavour? Do you know what I mean?
I like the sweetness of it. It's like my second time ever tried it. It's the most.
Oh. One of many delicious coffee and pastry spots. Flour and stone. Ding.
What's your rating?
Well, there's cinnamon roll. Yeah.
As a pastry, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. It's not like a traditional cinnamon roll. It's more fruity than it's cinnamon. Do you know what I mean?
No.
I've only had one cinnamon roll before.
I think yeah.
But have you ever been to Cinnabon that have like icing on the inside?
Oh yeah.
So this is very different,
Mm-hmm.
but as its own thing, this is a really solid 9 out of 10, honestly. Look at that centre of the roll. That's what they call the centre of the roll. Oh, yeah.
I think for me this is at least an 8. Gets even better after waking up so early in the morning. Plus the sunrise, so this just feels so much better.
Yeah, it does.
I can taste that like mandarin flavor now.
Yeah, right?
The middle tastes different. It's kind of like donut-ish.
Yeah.
Really chewy, which I really like.
Okay, after finishing it, I have to give it a 10 out of 10. It just gets better.
Wait, so where's the lighthouse?
I don't know. We
was
have
supposed
come
to
the
go
lighthouse.
I'm pretty sure I direct the GPS to
To the-
the lighthouse. It's called Hornby.
Oh, Hornby
H-O-
Lighthouse.
yeah.
Hornby Lighthouse, that's the
But
name.
I can't see it anywhere.
I can't see it anywhere either.
We're like at the national park.
Since the lighthouse is not accessible by car, the GPS will take you straight to Camp Cove Kiosk, which apparently is known for the hanging oranges. There weren't that many people around today, probably because of the season, but I can see how cozy and nice it is in the summertime.
You're looking at Camp Cove's new lifeguards. 700 metres.
On our way, we came across this nudist beach. It's such a nice little spot, as you can see. The water just looks unreal. It's like a mini hideout spot here. Also, probably not a good idea to film, but since we were the only people there, I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of this beautiful little corner.
It's not closed, is it? Can't even go up to it.
It's doing some work here right now. Soil
Remediation. It was a nice walk though.
Hornby Lighthouse.
Evidence that we're here. We actually came here, but unfortunately, it's under construction. Oh well.
What a bummer. Never mind. We've had a nice time though, haven't we?
Yeah. It was a nice walk. Nice weather. What can you say? Even though we didn't get to go on the lighthouse, I'm so glad that we came out. To be honest, I haven't been feeling the best lately. I felt stuck in a rut and felt like I was losing my creative spark. But after dragging myself out, well, by James early in the morning, I just felt like all the fog had just suddenly cleared up. I don't really know how to explain this, but I just felt alive and just felt so grateful that I can enjoy these beautiful moments like this.
Cloud today.
Ooh! Sky blue.
Bondi blue.
Bondi blue. Hey.
20,000 years ago. Bondi Beach before it was a beach. This is the Pacific Ocean. I don't know. Fact checking.
No,
AI checking.
Tasman Sea.